Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Yealink WH62 or WH63 wireless phone headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the base not connecting properly, or if it just doesn't seem to be working, you can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up in a new location on a new network or anything like that, and you just want to get a fresh start as though you're just pulling this out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite simple. You'll just need to set everything up again as new because everything will be restored to the factory configurations. But all we need to do is we're going to come in on the base, and on the base we're going to find the phone button and the PC button, and we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for 6 seconds with power to the base. And once after 6 seconds, the base will reset to its default factory configuration.